Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix lag and FPS drops in Fortnite on Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First up you just need to go to search menu and type game mode. Comes up game mode settings, click on open it. You just need to turn on this game mode option. After turning on, just to close stuff here. Second step you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan, click on open it. In here you just need to expand this show additional plans and select a high performance in this list. After that just close stuff here. Third step is to update the graphics driver. To do this you just need to check my video description for these links used in my video. You just need to download the software, depends on where graphics card model. In my case I have Nvidia graphics card, so I have Nvidia app. After opening the program, you just need to go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating it, just to close stuff here. For this step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both the commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.